Hi guys, Daniel Bates with Real Estate Tomato. And today I wanted to show you a couple of quick tips on working with images in WordPress. And this is no reflection of the blogger here, but it is a perfect demonstration of a problem with really the way that WordPress operates. And so if we take a look at this post, you can see that she's got some content right here, and the content basically ends right here with her name and information. And then she's got one image, but then under the content, under the last words, she's inserted a group of pictures. But what WordPress has done is assumed that these last words here are the end of the post, and they've gone ahead and started to post the next article here. And so the way that we solve that, if you're on the Real Estate Tomato matrix, there's a couple of ways to solve that. The first one I'll show you is a really simple addition at the bottom of your all of your images. If you just add the word space with these square brackets around it, that's some custom WordPress code that we've added to our system that's going to solve it. And so if I come in here, you can take a look and see now the end of this post now starts at the end, at the last picture, because basically we've created this space here. Now typically when we see this, it's usually like one image at the bottom, and I always recommend people, readjust some things. Maybe move this image up all the way so that it's aligned with this top paragraph, and then squeeze this one in here with this paragraph, and that'll resolve it. If you want to display a lot of images at the end of a post, the best way to do that is with WordPress' new built-in gallery feature. And so this is not next-gen gallery, this is a built-in gallery feature, and it really couldn't be easier to use. Instead of uploading these images one at a time, you're going to click Insert Edit Image, and then select all those images in the file, and it's going to add all of them. And then it's going to create this gallery, and this is basically what the gallery looks like. This is how you know what it's done. Now it's a little bit trickier to add a single image outside of the gallery. The way that I did this is I actually went to Media, Add New, and I uploaded this image there, and then I inserted some code in order to get that, because if I tell it to insert this image up here, it's going to also add it to the gallery. So there's a little bit of juggling back and forth. Finally, there's a little bit of coding that I add on here. In order to get these images to show up nice and big, I put in this line size equals and then the word medium in quotation marks. And that medium size is controlled under your settings media. I know that's a little complicated, but if you take a look at this video and go step by step, then this is the outcome that you can get. So here we've got a nice kind of gallery looking form, and you can set these up any way you want. You can make them 3 columns, 4 columns, however you want to display these images. I just kind of did this quickly with the 2 column setup, and I think it looks a little bit better than the way that this kind of staggers back and forth. And that's just what WordPress is going to do whenever you insert images, or you try to tell it to make one left aligned and one right aligned. The only way to overcome this is to downsize these images so that they'll fit perfectly. And often what happens is that they still don't do exactly what you want unless you start integrating some sort of tabling code or something like that. So that's basically what the gallery is creating. It's creating these images in a table. But we have a tutorial video in the tutorial video section for creating galleries. If you want to experiment with next-gen, that's a plugin that you can activate. You can go that route as well. The gallery feature is a little bit more stable in my opinion, although it does, you do have to fight with it a little bit. But in any event, try out next time you have some problems with WordPress not recognizing the end of your post with a picture. Try to add this little space code at the end of that article and see if that helps you out. If you have any questions, as always, you can email Molly at realestatetomato.com. Thanks. Bye.